Bonus reading for August the 12th to August the 13th. Air signs. Your cards are the Five of Swords, the Six of Swords, and the Star. Meron tayong pinaglalaban, meron tayong gustong makuha, gustong ma-achieve, ma-experience, no? Kung ito'y romance, parang gusto nating ipakita kay person na I'm worth it, no? Or this relationship is worth fighting for. Kung ito naman ay career, pwede nating sabihin na yes, may mga challenges tayo when it comes to probably knowledge base, or baka hindi natin nakukuha yung tamang kumbaga hindi pa tayo giyang no dito sa ating trabaho, pero you're willing to learn. Kung finances naman ito, pwede natin sabihin na nagtatrabaho naman ako, no? Kay umuulan, kay may sakit ako, nagsusumikap ako, hindi mo masasabing tamad ako. So, meron kang pinaglalaban na gusto mong ma-achieve. The Five of Swords is clarified with the Nine of Swords and the Six of Wands. Medyo, eto mga nakaraang araw, na ano tayo na shaken tayo, no? Pwede kasing ang dami nating iniisip, things piled up, probably hindi tayo nakakatulog ng maayos, kasi siguro, combinations na no itong nangyayari. Merong finances, merong romance, or probably finances and career, or probably tatlong yon. Kaya parang ang bigat sa feeling. Pero ngayon, napapansin natin na either makakaisip ka ng solusyon. One thing is for sure, paalis ka na dito no sa anxiety, sa bigat, sa worries. Parang, all you just need to do is to surrender yung etong bigat na nararamdaman natin. Kasi I'm seeing that you are being guided, no? The Star is here. Parang almost a miracle, no? You can write in the comment, miracle, para this is a confirmation that you need this, pero parang miracle siya na talagang ibibigay sa'yo na almost parang feeling mo hindi na ako makakaalis, pero look, no, ang buhay ay gulo, no? Nakikita natin na ang sagot, solusyon, pagkakaayos, pera man yan, relationship, parating na. So this is your bonus reading for August the 12th to August the 13th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.